Introducing Secure Supplies, your partner in harnessing the power of water for a self-sufficient and sustainable future. We proudly offer Kinetic pumps, the ultimate solution for pump hydro storage, farming irrigation, and power generation. Imagine having the ability to store and utilize energy whenever you need it. Our Kinetic pumps enable you to do just that. With their innovative design and cutting-edge technology, they efficiently convert excess energy into stored potential energy, ready to be released on demand. Say goodbye to energy waste and hello to self-sufficiency. At Secure Supplies, we believe in empowering individuals and communities to become self-sufficient and sustainable. That's why we offer comprehensive training materials and formulas to aid you in the process, ensuring your success in implementing hydropower and irrigation projects. Join us in creating a greener and more resilient future. Contact us today to explore the vast potential of our Kinetic pumps and discuss how we can help you achieve your self-sufficiency goals. Together, let's unlock the power of water for a better tomorrow. Join us at www.secure.supplies.